And once again, welcome to Cooking with Carlisle. Today is going to be a roast chicken day, and here we are, the chicken, carrots, potato bed, garlic, and a sprinkling of curry powder, and all the spices I could find. There's mustard there, and there's black pepper. Got a good deal from Morrison's, £3.04 for a kg of thighs. And I contemplated putting this tomato sauce in there, plum tomatoes in there, but there's just no space. And there's some of my ingredients there. The Raja curry powder, also awesome. The rock salt, awesome. Well, thanks for liking and subscribing. God bless you all. Okay, it's time for some one-handed food removal from oven. It's going to be hot, so I don't drop it. There we go. Look at that. So that's it as it comes out of the oven. That's the roast which I prepared this morning. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy, tummy. So I turned it over. I did the turn, and there's some sauce in there. That's going to be great. Okay, that's it. Roast chicken a la Carlisle. Well, Carlisle's Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and a share and a comment will go a long way. I'm very, very appreciated. Thank you so much again.